How to enable or disable the graphics acceleration on Opera GX web browser. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can enable and disable the graphics acceleration on the Opera GX web browser. So without any further delay, let's get started. So once you have opened up Opera GX in your device, now head towards the top left corner and you have to click on this icon which says customize and control Opera. Click on it. A menu box will pop up in your interface. Here you have to click on settings. And once you're under settings, here from your left hand side, there you have to click on browser. And under browser, keep on scrolling, and under the system reason, there is use graphics acceleration when available. By default, it is turned on or it is toggled on. In order to disable, toggle this off. After that, click on relaunch and that will disable the graphics acceleration on the Opera GX web browser. If you want to enable it, all you have to do is toggle it on and click on relaunch. So that's how you can enable or disable the graphics acceleration on Opera GX web browser, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.